Your dashboard is trying to tell you something. Ignore the wrong light and it could cost you thousands or worse. Here are the most common ones. Can you identify this dashboard warning light? Check engine light. Do you know what this critical symbol means? Battery charge warning light. This is one of the most serious lights on your dashboard. What is it? Oil pressure warning light. Your car is telling you something urgent. Can you identify this light? Engine temperature warning light. This one is critical for your safety. What does it indicate? Brake warning light. Can you guess what this common warning light means? Tire pressure warning light. What safety system is this light warning you about? Airbag indicator light. Do you recognize this brake-related warning? Brake fluid warning light. What is this dashboard light telling you about your brakes? Brake pad warning light. This light affects how easy your car is to steer. What is it? Power steering warning light. Can you identify this gearbox-related warning light? Transmission temperature warning light. Something is wrong with your transmission. What does this light mean? Automatic gearbox warning light. Can you name this less common but important warning light? Air suspension warning light. This light relates to your exhaust system. Do you know it? Catalytic converter warning light. This general warning needs your immediate attention. What is it? Master warning light. This light affects your braking in an emergency. Can you identify it? ABS warning light. What does this stability-related warning light mean? Traction control malfunction light. Every driver knows this one. What is it? Low fuel level indicator. Can you identify this easy-to-fix warning? Washer fluid reminder light. Before you drive off. What is this light warning you about? Door ajar warning light. This one is about keeping everyone safe. What does it mean? Seatbelt indicator. Did you forget something at the fuel station? What is this light? Gas cap warning light. This light means your engine is not breathing properly. What is it? Clogged air filter warning light. Something has stopped working on the outside of your car. Can you identify this light? Lamp out light. Other drivers depend on this. What is this warning light? Brake lights warning light. This small problem can leave you locked out. What is it? Key fob battery low indicator. This light means a fuel-saving feature is temporarily off. What is it? Start-stop warning light. Hold on before you start the engine. What does this light mean? Ignition switch warning light. You can't shift gears. What is this warning telling you? Unlock gear selector light. This one is specific to open-top cars. Can you name it? Convertible roof warning light. You're lighting up the road ahead. What is this indicator? High beam indicator light. This is the correct setting for night driving. What is it? Low beam indicator light. Visibility is poor ahead. Which light have you switched on? Front fog lights indicator. This bright light helps others see you. Can you identify it? Rear fog lights indicator. Don't drive off yet. What is this reminder telling you? Parking brake light. You're about to change direction. What indicator is this? Direction signal indicators. All four corners of your car are flashing. What does this mean? Hazard lights on indicator. Your car is holding a steady speed on its own. What light is this? Cruise control indicator light. Your headlights are adjusting automatically. What is this indicator? Auto high beam indicator light. Your beam angle is being managed. Can you name this indicator? Headlight range control light. Now you know what your dashboard is telling you. Don't ignore it. The sooner you act, the safer and cheaper it is. Subscribe for more and we'll see you in the next one.